Toolkit.law is proud to announce the transition into its official live phase, marking the full public launch of its comprehensive legal productivity platform. Toolkit.law is a cloud-based productivity platform built for modern legal professionals across 80-plus countries. The platform includes more than 1,500 tools, calculators, utilities, and continuing legal education resources organized within a structured accordion interface. The platform includes 24 hours of CLE webinars structured for self-reporting, helping legal professionals reduce training costs while maintaining compliance. Toolkit.law integrates with over 40 productivity platforms through the Toolkit.law Assistant extension and dedicated desktop and mobile apps. Additionally, users receive access to auto-built user web stores, allowing them to market services. With structured productivity suites, AI-powered research tools, and centralized workflow organization, Toolkit.law is designed to reduce fragmentation and improve operational efficiency. For more information, visit www.toolkit.law.